Did you know that nature was the original pharmacy? For centuries, before we had modern medicine, people relied on the healing power of plants. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible leaves that have been used for generations and are now being validated by modern science. These leaves can do wonders for your immunity, digestion, skin, and so much more. Let's jump right in. First up, moringa, often called the miracle leaf, and it truly earns that name. It's absolutely loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, calcium, and natural compounds that fight inflammation. Whether you drink it as a tea or sprinkle the powder into your smoothies and meals, moringa is fantastic for boosting your energy, balancing your hormones, and giving your immune system some serious support. Next, we have neem leaves. If you're looking for a natural powerhouse, this is it. Neem is one of the strongest antibacterial and antifungal leaves you can find. It is traditionally used to tackle everything from acne and skin infections to internal detoxification and even balancing blood sugar levels. A word of caution, neem tea has a very strong, bitter taste, so if you try it, start with a small amount. But its effects are incredibly powerful. Moving on to a more familiar friend, mint leaves. The moment you smell mint, you feel a sense of calm, and that's exactly what it does for your digestion. It works by relaxing the stomach muscles, which helps to reduce bloating and ease nausea. It also supports clearer breathing. A simple cup of mint tea after a meal can make a huge difference in how you feel. Number 4 is basil, but specifically holy basil. Also known as tulsi. In many cultures, this is called the queen of herbs. Tulsi is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress and anxiety. It's also fantastic for coughs, colds, and general inflammation. Modern studies are now showing that tulsi can significantly support the immune system and even lead to better, more restful sleep. Let's talk about guava leaves. You might love the fruit, but the leaves are just as amazing. Guava leaf tea is famous for its ability to help with digestive issues, especially diarrhea and stomach infections. The potent antioxidants in these leaves also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting clearer, healthier-looking skin. At number 6, we have the one and only aloe vera. We all know it's great for sunburns, but the magic is on the inside. The gel within the aloe leaf is a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. When prepared and consumed correctly as a juice, it can be incredibly soothing for your digestive tract, reduce internal inflammation, and help your body heal from the inside out. Next are curry leaves. These fragrant leaves aren't just for adding flavor to your dishes. They are packed with iron and antioxidants that are known to support strong hair growth, improve digestion, and help with blood sugar management. Adding fresh curry leaves to your cooking or even brewing a mild tea from them can help strengthen your hair from the roots and improve how your body absorbs nutrients. Number 8 is the humble bay leaf. You probably have this in your spice cabinet right now. Beyond its culinary uses, bay leaf has a calming effect on the nervous system. It also supports heart health and aids digestion. Simply boiling a single leaf in water to make a gentle tea can help reduce inflammation and uncomfortable bloating. At number 9, we have peppermint leaves. Think of peppermint as the stronger, more intense cousin of regular mint. It's a go-to for tackling headaches, sinus congestion, nausea, and sharp stomach pains. The natural menthol in peppermint works to open up your airways, providing almost instant relief and a feeling of freshness. And finally, number 10, eucalyptus leaves. When you think of respiratory health, think eucalyptus. The vapors from these leaves are incredibly effective at clearing out the lungs, reducing a persistent cough, and opening up congested sinuses. It's also a powerful natural antimicrobial agent, helping your body fight off germs. These 10 healing leaves have been trusted remedies around the world for generations, and it's exciting to see science confirming their benefits. If you're looking for natural ways to support your health, incorporating even one of these into your routine can make a noticeable difference. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these leaves would you like me to cover in a full, detailed video next? Let me know your pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.